double wire welding with the close welding robot Romat 310. The recently developed double wire torch is working up to 850 amps and up to 1500 amps with pulsing currents. The microprocessor technology of these Quinto power sources provides excellent support for the welding process control. Two wire drives are controlled simultaneously with wire feeds up to 30 meters per minute. In the field of thin plate welding with double wire, welding speeds of more than 4.5 meters per minute are achieved in some applications. This is an application example without arc. After programming, the workpiece is precisely and rapidly traced in the test phase. Robot and turntable are running synchronously, which also guarantees a high weld quality with very rapid travel speed. It goes without saying that the welding process is carried out with the same precision and speed. Here is proof. With a welding speed of 6 meters per minute, fire extinguishers with a diameter of 200 mm are welded within 5 seconds per container. The welding time for a length of 300 mm is only 5 seconds. This 4 mm thick component, for example, is welded with a speed of 3 meters per minute. Despite the high welding speed, good penetration results are achieved with all materials. Long welding cycles can be shortened noticeably.